We are coming out of the cave, is sung by the KOM people while coming out of the big cave called KHUR PUI. There is a KOM folktale that while trying to come out of the cave, the journey was obstructed by a tiger, so they were not able to come out of the cave. Only when the KARONGPA killed the tiger were they able to move out freely. Today, the KOM tribe, one of the indigenous tribes of Manipur, are mainly scattered in Churachandpur, Bishnupur, Kangpokpi, Tegnoupal, and Imphal West district. The KOM are historically and linguistically related to Ainu, Chiru, Koireng, and KHUR of Manipur. tradition related to hunting. It celebrates the valor and the success of the hunters, highlighting their role to ensure and well-being. Sakhung Hlam is also danced to honor successful individuals from the KOM community, including the village chiefs and the leaders. Sakhung Hlam dance, accompanied by big drum beats, plays a central role in KOM celebration. It marks the highest moment of joy during important events such as weddings and village festivals, performed only when the elders seated and respected